One of the great benefits that you have as a growing multi-unit franchisee is that you have opportunity to offer. Like, you can tell people, if you join my organization, you can eventually become a manager. You want them to become a manager, because the more managers that you are able to develop, hire and develop, the more you're going to be able to grow. Because you and me know that finding the financing and opening locations is not difficult. You have to follow steps, you have to follow a procedure, but once you've done it once, twice, three times, it's pretty automatic. Now, finding the right people to lead those units and those businesses and those franchises, that is the hard part. But if you do a good job of having great benefits, are developing an amazing culture where people want and love to work at, if you give them a pay that is fair and an incentive and ways for them to make more money, and even better, the opportunity for future growth so that they can elevate themselves and their family for their future, that is your role as a franchisee.